Uni here, welcome to Uni DIY. I have another project for you guys. I hope you like it, and I think you don't need to spend lots of money to do this project. So you can create it at your home because at home you already have all that you need. This week I make a super cute organizer using a Swiss box. Please do it your DIY.
And we have prepared Swiss box, gun glue, cutter and scissors, unique tab, and paper. Spirited the light using a cutter, and then we're using a ruler to have a cut straight line, hold along the box and measure the center point and measure 3 centimeters from the center on both sides. And connect 3 dots into triangles, follow the line and cut it. And try to make a dot as plain as possible on both sides. And cut. You have to be careful. I'm making them between 2 triangles using the box of scissors, so it will be easier to fold them. And you close this one using the lid that we cut off previously, and measure the height that you need. We have to mark the box, and then we cut it to that size. And then, my friends, we have to be careful to make it. So we got a good something, and then cut part by part. And next, give glue here using hot gun glue and cover all and the other side, and give glue in everything. Give glue, and then the next part and the other side. Remember, give a glue, and then you have the basic structure. Remember to give glue together in between section as well. The next part now, decorate inside. I will use paper clip and measure size that you need and cover down thoroughly. Glue and firmly press down to glue in place that you want cover. So be careful. I'm not cover outside because I love the blue color, and now all covered. And the last, the edge using the UV tab with the blue one. Dab it over the edge and be careful. We keep a unique tab, and then yay! You're done, and I absolutely love this pattern. This is a super cute organizer.
And this is the final project, super cute organizer using Swiss box. I hope you like it and will make it by yourself. And then if you like this video, just remember to give a comment below, and I'll see you next video. Bye.